This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Janice Hollowell. Discover this stunning new construction modern home, designed for seamless living with an open floor plan and a sleek, spacious island that anchors the heart of the home. Windows invite natural light into every room, highlighting large, well-appointed bedrooms with ample closet space. The second-floor laundry room offers convenience, keeping daily tasks centralized. Nestled on a private, fenced lots, this property provides privacy and space for outdoor enjoyment. Take advantage of preferred lender incentives, making this home as attainable as it is beautiful. Don't miss the opportunity to make this dream home yours by the holidays. November 18, 2024. For more information, review the details below or contact Janice Hollowell at 757-547-1234.